Today we're going to teach you an amazing Korean technique to make crispy, flavorful chicken thighs. We're going to make this dish with just 3 chicken thighs straight into the skillet. Start by adding 120 milliliters of milk and 120 milliliters of water. Add a bay leaf to infuse some aroma and 2 cloves of garlic. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. Make sure the chicken is well coated with the flavors. Then let it cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes it should look something like this. Remove the chicken from the liquid and transfer it to a separate dish. Now season it with another pinch of salt, black pepper, and a dash of paprika. Spread the seasoning evenly over the chicken. Next, prepare a bowl with 100 grams of flour. Add salt, black pepper, and a bit of ground ginger to taste and mix well. Now coat each chicken thigh in the flour. Prepare another bowl with water and quickly dip each thigh in it. This step is part of the Korean frying technique. The water creates a textured crust and helps the coating stick better, making it more even. After that, coat the chicken again in the flour mixture. Now heat some oil in a skillet and add the chicken thighs to fry. Flip them as needed to ensure they're golden and crispy all over. Once they reach that perfect golden color, remove them from the skillet. If you like, garnish with some chopped green onions and it's ready to serve. Our Korean-style chicken thighs are super crispy and packed with flavor. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this recipe, give us a like, subscribe to the channel for more daily tips like this from all over the world, and let us know in the comments what you thought of this technique and if you've ever tried it before. That's all for now, see you next time.